animals. All birds have 2 legs, 2 wings, and feathers. And most birds can fly. The wings and feathers help them fly, and the feathers help keep them warm. Birds lay eggs with hard shells. They keep the baby birds inside safe from animals that want to eat them. Fish have gills to help them breathe in water. Scales all over their bodies help keep them safe from dangerous fish that want to bite them. They don't have legs, but their fins and tails help them swim. Fish lay eggs in water, and their eggs are soft. Amphibians are very interesting because they can live on land and in wet water. Amphibians need to have wet skin, so they live in wet places. They lay their soft eggs in water. They have gills when they young, and the gills help them breathe in water. Most amphibians, like frogs, have legs that help them walk and jump on land. Some mammals live on land and some live in water. Whales are water mammals, and cats, rabbits, and lions are land animals. Hair or fur cover most land mammals' bodies, and this helps keep them warm. People are mammals too. Mammals don't lay eggs. Their babies drink milk from their mothers. Fish have gills to help them breathe. Fish have gills to play in that sea. Birds have wings to help them fly. They have wings to fly in that sky. Animals, we love animals. How do mammals keep warm? Do you know? They have fur to play in that snow. How can amphibians breathe when they swim? Believe it or not, they use their skin. Animals, we love animals.
Okay.
Ouch! Are you okay? No, my leg hurts. Oh no! Leo and Lily live in a big garden near a forest. Lily is red and yellow. She's friendly, but she is usually very nervous. Lily flies from tree to tree in the garden, and she hops in the grass. She eats worms, nuts, and berries. Leo is black and white. He is very fast and very clever. He's brave too. He climbs trees in the garden, and he hunts for mice and birds. Leo sometimes tries to catch Lily, but Lily always escapes. Lily can run fast, but Lily can fly. This makes Leo angry. One day, Leo sees Lily in the garden. Leo wants to catch Lily. He creeps through the garden very slowly and quietly. But Lily sees Leo, and she flies away into the forest. Leo chases Lily. Lily flies and flies, and Leo runs and runs. Soon they are a long way from the garden, and they don't know the way home. It's dark in the forest. Leo and Lily are scared. Leo and Lily hear a noise. It's a fox. The fox is hungry. It wants some dinner. It wants to eat Leo. Leo tries to fight the fox, but the fox is very big. Lily is in a tree. She pecks a pine cone. The pine cone falls and hits the fox on the head. Leo escapes and climbs up the tree. The fox is angry. It can't climb trees. Leo and Lily wait in the tree for a long time. At last, the fox goes away. Leo and Lily are safe, but they want to go home now. Lily flies up very high. She sees the garden. She squawks happily. Lily shows Leo the way home, but Lily is small, and her wings are tired. She sits on Leo's back, and Leo carries Lily home. Leo and Lily are safe at home in their garden again. They're friends now. Lily flies around the garden, and Leo never tries to catch her. Well, hardly ever. Meow, squawk! Meow, squawk! My cat and bird always fight. They never get along together, and fighting isn't right. Meow, squawk! Meow, squawk! I hardly ever sleep at night. Why can't my cat and bird be friends and treat each other right? Meow, squawk! Meow, squawk! I usually have to shout. I sometimes say they must be friends, or I want them, let them out.
Okay. Can you answer my question?
Okay.
Okay. Which animal is an amphibian?
The frog is an amphibian.
Can you tell me about the frog?
This is okay. Let me see.
Can you tell me about
Wait
the
for me,
frog?
Wait for me.
Can you tell me about the frog?
Wait for me. I can have. Toby, come take a day.
No. Can you tell me about?
This is my frog. It is green. It has 4 legs and a tail.
A tail?
First, the tadpoles come out of the eggs. Then the tadpoles grew back legs. Then the tadpoles grew front legs. Next, the tadpoles are the frogs.
And the tail?
And the tails are gone.
Yes. Okay. What is a mammal?
The cat.
Which animal is a mammal?
The cat and the dog and people are the mammal.
A mammal. Oh. How do the mammal breathe?
See?
How do the mammal breathe? How do the mammal breathe?
They breathe air from the nose.
How do they keep warm? Them warm.
They stay.
How do they keep them warm? The mammal.
The mammal
How do they keep them?
warm.
The mammal.
They have fur
To keep
to
them.
keep them warm.
Yes. Do the mammal lay eggs? Do the mammal lay eggs?
No,
No, they.
no, they don't.
They have a
They have babies.
How do the baby eat?
The baby eat milk, drink milk.
Drink milk.
What's that?
A bird? Can you tell me a bird?
This is a bird. This is a bird.
Yes, the bird.
She is red and yellow.
Can you?
She's friendly. She likes to fly. Some people like to catch her, but the bird always escapes. The people move slowly and quietly, and they catch her, but the bird can fly. They can catch her. They are faster than the bird. When she see the bird, they say the bird, we can catch her like this.
Oh dear, yes. The bird lay. The bird lay eggs. Can you tell me about a fish?
This is a fish. They have gills to help them breathe. They can swim well, like this, like me.
Okay. Has the fish got 4 legs? Has it got 4 legs?
No, it hasn't.
Okay.